Guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today to do a little show and tell. Close to My Heart right now has a special going. It is the Heart Happy special, and I got the two bundles. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the two different bundles, and then I'll probably do a follow-up video and show you the projects once they are all completed. So this is the Heart Happy Everyday Life bundle. So you can see number CC2194. Cool. So in this bundle, I got the one with the stamp set. You can either get it with or without the stamp set. I got it with the stamp set. This is Living My Best Life. Let's see. There we go. Living My Best Life Day to Day. So this stamp set is cute. It's good for scrapbooking, you know, real life, my story, currently, listening, watching, all kinds of fun words. So that's the stamp set. The kit comes with photo placeholders. So lots of those. You can see this makes a whole mini album. These are flip flaps, so it's a way to add more pictures and stuff to pages. I'll show you guys how those work later. And then these are the Picture My Life 6x8 pages. So it comes with, I believe, 10. Let's see. You get 5 of just the 6x8, and then 2 4x6. It's two 4x6 pages, and then 2 pages which are 4 3x4 photos. Yeah, okay. So there's that, and then this is the paper. How cute is this paper? So this is the cut apart page. And there is the back. So you get one sheet from every paper from this paper pack. So this is great for, Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure that's why they came out with it right now. I love the brightness of this kit. I love the colors. Super duper fun. X's and O's, a nice stripe, and then this kit also comes with 1 sheet of sapphire paper and 2 sheets of white daisy cardstock. So that is the first kit, and again, that is called the Heart Happy Everyday Life Bundle, and I will show you guys that once it's all completed. Okay, and here we have the other Heart Happy bundle. This is just called the Heart Happy Workshop Kit, or number CC2196. So in this kit, you get a little bit of everything. So this one makes some pages and some cards. So you get your photo placeholders. I think it might make tags too. Oh, I can't remember. It doesn't. The thing with these two bundles is you're going to have to get the directions online. So it doesn't come with the printed instructions like the Workshop Your Way kits do. Comes with a red shimmer trim. This stuff's neat. It's like glitter tape. Very cool. Silver glitter gems. Again, I got the stamp set. This is A Piece of My Heart. And so cute. Limited card space. You're my person. Always forever. My heart. A diagram. You can label the pieces of your heart. Like puppies, ice cream, tacos, bacon, naps. Cute. It comes with cards. 10 cards it looks like, in the envelopes. These are the Heart Happy stickers. So just one sheet? Yeah, just one sheet. How pretty is that flower? Oh, cute. Gal Pals Forever. All the heart eyes. Adorable. Okay. A piece of sapphire. A piece of, ooh, I'm going to guess mint. This is Ballerina, I believe. Or Sugar Plum. Probably Ballerina. Let's see. Yeah, Ballerina. Piece of raspberry. And a whole bunch of White Daisy cardstock. And this one comes with 2 sheets each of the Heart Happy. So it comes with like a whole, not a case, a whole border of Heart Happy paper. And I know I already showed you guys, but it's so cute. So let's look again. I'm in love with these colors. So bright, so fun. I think there's enough blue in these that, you know, it can be good for boys or girls. It's just happy Valentine's paper. Adorable. So again, I will show you these projects once they are all completed. And leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. And this kit is only available, both these kits are only available for a limited time. So if you want them, you got to act fast. They are available through the end of February or while supplies last. So if they get really popular and they sell out, they might be gone. So if you're interested, click the links down below and it will take you right to the page where you can order these. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day. Bye.